Good morning, student. So we have learned the first module. First part was like introduction to hardware and software, and basic operating units. And the second part is overview of C. So in the overview of C, we have seen what is the structure of C program, how to execute C program, and what are the keywords of what are the tokens of the C program. Identifier, keyword, variable, data types, constant, operators, expression, everything we have seen. Now I'll explain one program, one small program, line by line. I'll give the explanation. We'll go back to the compiler there. So here I'm using one online compiler, and this subject we have one lab also. When I give the lab explanation, I'll tell you where we are going to explain, in which editor, which compiler we are going to use in the lab. All those things I'll explain as part of lab videos. Now I'm using one online compiler. So I'll be writing program to add two numbers. So to add two numbers, this part is the documentation section, right? Here you can write your comments. So whatever you are writing between hash star and star hash will not be executing. It will be treating as a comment. And this is the documentation section, and this hash include stdio.h. This is link section. So something I'm going to link to my program. This is my program. What I am going to link? See stdio.h. This h indicate this is one header file. What is header file? Header files and all, it is like there are many header files in your C language. stdio.h is one header file. In that header file, this see printf. Printf is used to print the output, right? So that printf, where it is defined, who has given that printf? What is the meaning of printf? Print output. So who has given that meaning to printf? Where it is defined? All those things will be there in the stdio.h. So standard input output functions and all will be there in that header file. So printf is one output function. So if I want to get the exact meaning of printf, I have to include this stdio.h. So this printf is defined in this header file. That header file name is stdio.h, a standard input output. So I'm asking my compiler to include this standard input output header file to my program to support this output function printf. Then in the main, without main you cannot execute your C program. In the main, so here it is. This part is known as this is known as a declaration. Int A is equal to 10, B is equal to 50, C. What is the meaning of that? Int indicate it is a data type. Int A is equal to 10 means I am assigning value 10 to A. Then what is int? What is A? A is a variable name. Why we need variable name? Like I need my input is 10. I want to store 10 in main memory. But in main memory, there are many addresses, right? 0, 2000, there are many addresses will be there. So I have to reserve a space to store my value 10. That space, I will be giving one name to that space. That name is A. And that A can hold only integer value because of this int. And that integer value is here 10. Then what is B is equal to 50? My second input is 50. I want to store in memory, right? And that where I'm storing, that memory position name is B. And in this indicating that B can hold only integer value. That value is 50. C. In the C indicator, C is the memory name. That memory can hold only integer. Value I don't know now. Later I'll be assigning value to C. So that this is known as declaration part, and this is the executable part. This is two are the executable part. C is equal to A plus B. So A value is 10, B value is 50, 10 and 50 is adding. That value is copying to C. So now C value is 50. I want to see the processing over. I want to see the output. So I'll be using one function, printf function, output function to see the output. And this function has some syntax and all. We'll be seeing the second module. Printf C is equal to percentage %d comma C. I can see my output here. When you run, C is equal to 60. Right. Suppose if I miss here, comma. When I debug, I'll get the error. This is known as syntax error. Syntax is not correct. So I'll put comma here. I have to go back. And put the comma. Again debug. There is no error. So run it. 60 I'll get. Suppose your input is, I'm going to divide. A divide B. I'll debug it. There is no error, no syntax error. So I will be running that program. I'll not get any output. It is showing floating point exception. This is logical error. Logic wise it is wrong, right? Syntax wise it is correct. There is no syntax error. I followed all C programming language syntax. But still I'm not getting output because it is logic wise it is wrong. Divide by 0 is not possible. So again I'm going back to program. I'll make it as 10. I'll debug. Now no syntax error. I'll run. I got the output because there is no logic error also. These are the steps to execute a program. Hope all of you understood the first module. Thank you all.